Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom style sheets to your Obsidian vault. If you've ever wanted to fine-tune the look and feel of your notes beyond the built-in themes, custom CSS snippets are one of the best ways to do it. They let you change fonts, spacing, colors, headings, callouts, sidebars, and many other parts of the interface without modifying your actual notes. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want the changes to apply. CSS snippets are stored on a per-vault basis, which means each vault can have its own unique appearance. If you manage multiple vaults, you'll need to repeat this process for each one you want to customize. Next, open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner of the app. Once the Settings panel appears, select Appearance from the sidebar. This section contains all of Obsidian's visual customization options, including themes and CSS snippets. Scroll down until you find the CSS Snippets section. This feature allows Obsidian to load custom style sheet files and apply them on top of your current theme. The advantage of this approach is that you can make highly specific visual changes without replacing your entire theme. Click the folder icon labeled Open Snippets folder. Obsidian will open the exact directory where snippet files need to be stored. Using this shortcut ensures you're working in the correct location and avoids accidentally placing files in the wrong folder. Now, create or copy a CSS file into this folder. Make sure the file ends with the .css extension. You can create the file using any text editor and add your own styling rules. For example, you might increase heading sizes, adjust paragraph spacing, customize callout colors, or modify the appearance of links. Giving your files descriptive names such as margin.css or callouts.css makes them easier to manage later. Before enabling a large style sheet, it's often a good idea to start with a simple change and confirm everything works correctly. Small adjustments make troubleshooting much easier if something doesn't look right after applying the snippet. Return to Obsidian and click Reload Snippets. Your new CSS file should now appear in the list. Toggle the switch next to the snippet to enable it. The changes are usually applied instantly, allowing you to see the results in real time without restarting the application. If you don't notice any changes, double-check that the file extension is .css, verify that the snippet is enabled, and confirm that your CSS selectors match the elements you're trying to modify. You can also temporarily disable your snippet to compare the original appearance with the customized version. Another useful tip is to keep multiple snippets separated by purpose. Instead of placing every customization in a single large file, create smaller files for fonts, spacing, callouts, or interface tweaks. This makes future edits much easier and allows you to enable or disable specific customizations independently. You should also remember that themes and snippets work together. If a theme update changes certain interface elements, you may occasionally need to update your custom CSS rules as well. Keeping your snippets organized and documented with comments can save a lot of time when making future adjustments. That's it. You've successfully added a custom style sheet to your Obsidian vault. With CSS snippets, you gain precise control over how your workspace looks while keeping your notes completely untouched. Experiment with different styles, make gradual improvements, and build an Obsidian setup that perfectly matches your workflow and personal preferences.